Grass wire fence machine is a specialized equipment used for manufacturing artificial green grass wire fences, primarily for decorative purposes in gardens and as a physical barrier in agriculture and security applications. The market for wire fencing equipment, including grass wire fence machines, has been growing due to factors like livestock control, border security, and the need for local solutions. The Asia-Pacific region, with its agricultural demands and territorial concerns, is a significant market.